Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review of my completed diamond painting of this lion. I bought this lion on ZUOMIN on AliExpress, and this is a 40 by 50 centimeter square diamond painting with 45 colors, so quite a lot of colors. So yeah, let's have a closer look at this diamond painting. As you can see, this is quite a shiny diamond painting and the colors look pretty good. However, there were some things that I noticed while diamond painting. As you can see on the right side, the legend is pretty blurry. And on camera it might seem better than it is in real life, but that was the case for the whole upper right part of the canvas. So there I struggled quite a bit, especially with some symbols like a B and an R. They are both a purplish color and they seem very similar on the canvas. So those were the ones I struggled quite a bit with, but the other parts of the canvas were perfectly fine, so I did not have any problem with that. But just the top half, or the top right corner. So the other parts I didn't have any problem with. I think it might have just been something like a printing mistake, because this can happen, of course. I think the colors look pretty nice and vibrant, however the darker drills have some inconsistencies in size. So I've noticed that quite a few of the drills are a bit smaller than the rest of them, so they don't fit as good as the rest. But there were no very large or bumpy drills, so I had no issues with popping whatsoever, so that's pretty good. Another good thing that came with this kit is that they already came in pre-labeled resealable baggies. And I find that a good thing, because I don't have to kit it down and I can just put it in spare storage as it is. So that's pretty good. For all the drills I had plenty of spare drills left, so I did not run out, so that's good as well. So yeah, overall this is a pretty good store, I think, from what I've experienced. The only thing is that the canvas was a bit blurry, which can happen, which can be just a little shift of the printer, I don't know why. But the rest of the canvas was pretty clear, so it was just a small region. And the drills, you get that a lot with the cheaper AliExpress companies. You will get a lot of minor inconsistencies and some variation in size, in especially the darker drills. The bright colorful drills are easier for the printer to cut, so they will be more consistent in size. That was my review of the lion that I got from ZUOMIN on AliExpress. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing down below if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. But for now, have a nice day. Bye!